Sawoya man pam sisi waso. Yasunsun frawania asempa fa won paase.
Munyam sha wa hye Kona amabia ka asanteman.
Abusia yemo bibia kwaba ema munyina matena se Nyansapo TV suni yeda mamre ne abakosam adi na yewura santehene Otumfuo abebio nimfie aduonu enum ya wodie wa santemam no ene wo ba meamea hodo bi atesa kwan mafanu firi ho a nananom wo mpesua hodo bi so a ehia nsiesie afa wo ba apomuden so a yade so de ne mapegu akwam se beye na apomdi betumi afa ne tuma pa afra kora yenyina yeni etua konfono cha ban ya sabia wo siesie na enei aha eye Kona yamane yetiawa Otumfuo tutu abebio yewura santehene eyade se waba school eye Kona DA primary na wode mabefo enkitahudi abeto mpanimfo anim na ewieye no wasanso ababehye mukina apabia bi ankwada yi ebetumi asu abode mu nyansape mamenka se IT eno na abete ase yetumi hunu se enyirisi abrofo no wo mutumi ye robot bi na ne nam na wo musoma no na kohane ade meka ye wo hunu sabapepe na mepa kire eno na yewura tena ase no se da bi enkwada no so wo mo niam ahodo wo so wo ye fan niam hi hono ehia eti waba Kona waye bi ewo meamea ahodo bi a ene wode na probo no anase ne dwumadie na ba Kona na waba bebie ewa ha eti yenso yaba ha se yeba na afei eniema ahodo ebekoso wa ha na yewura ne niswade hunu a wode to dwa no yenso ya me ahwefo ene etiefo nyina da enya bi eti sabre de adwabon no efrase ya yekọ na yakọ akọhwe mpanifo ahodo no a ena aba ebre sem no yebedi nkomo afa ho na yede wo nso wo amane wo nantese ene afei aprobo no emfimfini nyina ene wieye eto am so abusia medin dia so na ba Kofi Mensa Abrampa Bronisi as usual many Appiah na nam yeko na yakọ akodi dwuma no ema aye
Mama biso aso eye mention so ye kan say everybody Moniyo, yada wasi bebre ese wode akonto mu hira nso so adom yana nanom na awrade do ma do ha asomdue mu ono ofifiri achichiri bencheye abanyina awrade yada wasi yakoso asere wo se emre mu bebre ni wona wobobo ho wona kwam a oba tumadi yiti yesere wo se koso a na dom akonto mu hira na fo bedu ha asomdue mu na ebeka yana nanom ho so na honam fam omonni enyene ewo dwumadie mu ma bibia nwie ekonodie yemu se wa yesew de bia woni ye hwamo no ugusu a wo ye emra ya sere mu ye da wase se wa ya ma ye adomniti amen
ha mama pay eneti sabri mechna hana.
So I've been called to give the purpose of gathering. And that just means why we're gathered here today. So today is actually momentous. Kids, you have to listen to me, okay? All right. Why we're gathered here today is to open an AI lab for the schools in Kona and the surrounding communities. I know you know what AI lab means. Kids, what's the meaning of AI? Who knows? AI. If you say it, I'll take you to London tonight. Who can tell me what AI means? AI. What does it stand for? Anyone? Okay, what's it? A and I. London, fair. Anybody? No? You come. Clap for her, kids. All right. What's your name?
My name is Nyansapo Glory.
Okay. What's the meaning of AI?
Artificial intelligence.
Yay! Put your hands together for Nyansapo Glory. Come with me. Come. Nyansapo, come. Yeah. You stand with me because you got it correct, okay? So I'm giving my speech with you. Okay, so yes, we are here to open an artificial intelligence lab for you children. Nana Wadarima, I'll address the children directly because Omutina Yawaha. So it's a very, very, very important step. Okay, in today's world, the entire world has gone digital. You children being enabled to have this thing would really help you to learn so much, and it will really help you in the world. Okay, it will help you in your studies. You get to experience and experiment with things that your counterparts in the USA, the UK, all the countries abroad, what the kids are learning with, you guys get to have it. Okay. This is more than a computer lab. It's 100 times more than a computer lab. So that's why we are here today, and this is the heart cry of His Royal Majesty the Asantehene. Education is his heart cry. To give access to quality education. That's what the King's legacy has been about since 1999. Up till now that we are all celebrating his 25 years on the Golden Stool. So we are just very, very happy to be able to do this for you, for the Kona community and all the environs around it. And we hope and pray that you will take very good care of it, that okay. Now say Prempeh College. How many of you know Prempeh College, kids? The boys, how many are going there? Prempeh College, no one. Okay. Okay, so Prempeh College, yeah, dear. They participated in an international program, AI program, and they won the entire world. Prempeh College came out as the world champions. Okay, and it's from being able to have access to labs like this. So we are very happy to bring it to you. Take good care of it and make very good use of it. Thank you.
Nananum, clergy, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, pupils, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks a momentous occasion for our district, Secretary South. We gathered here to celebrate the launch of something truly groundbreaking, our very own artificial intelligence laboratory for Kona community. The world around us is changing rapidly, and artificial intelligence is poised to play a major role in shaping the future. This new laboratory isn't just about technology, it is about empowering our peoples to be active participants in this very space. Our young minds will have the opportunity to explore the wonders of AI. They will learn about its capabilities, its potentials to solve problems, and its power to enhance learning. Nanache, imagine our peoples collaborating with AI tools to unlock new ways to understanding complex topics. Think of them using AI to personalize their learning journeys or to create innovative projects that showcase their creativity. This JES laboratory is not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about fostering curiosity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. It's about equipping our peoples with the tools they need to thrive in a world increasingly driven by AI. This credible achievement wouldn't be possible without the dedication of Nana Otumfuo-Newmont, Nana Kona Hine, and Otumfuo Foundation, Education Foundation, then to mention a few. I want to express my increase of gratitude to the tireless efforts of our PTA, Otumfuo Foundation, Nana Hima, and those elders in the community. Our dedicated Kona for engineering these projects. Our dedicated teachers, especially the head teacher, Mr. Edward Begani, who will still be guiding pupils in this exciting new adventure. And of course, the generous sponsors who have made this laboratory a reality. Nanache, looking forward, the launch of this AI laboratory is just the beginning. Today, we are opening a door to a world of possibilities for our young learners. Let us embrace this opportunity to nurture their curiosity, fuel their creativity, and prepare them to be pioneers of a future shaped by intelligence, both human and artificial. At this juncture, we are most grateful to Otumfuo Foundation for the services rendered to such a South so far. Not even this project, they have done a lot, donating books and then renovating other facilities. On the whole, we will say thank you and Ayiko. May the good Lord bless us all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The Otumfuo Foundation sometime last year, around about July, and I must say that this is the fastest deployment we've had in all the engagements we've been doing. Sometimes you start talking and it takes 18 months, 1 year, 2 years. You sign a contract with government 2020, you are deploying 2023. But the Otumfuo Foundation's exercise, we did one in Rioso earlier this year. And Kona is the second location we are deploying. So thank you very much. Thank you, Otumfuo Foundation. Otumfuo Foundation happens to be one of the most progressive institutions we've worked with in all the years that we're working in this space. Why are we here? We are here to support. Essentially what we're doing is we're trying to empower your students to be fit for purpose for the new world of work, for the future of work. The world has changed. Education has changed. The way people learn has changed. And it's important that as many of our students around Ghana and Africa also come along the ride. If you look around, all the indication is that any routine task that a robot or an algorithm can perform is being replaced by a robot. You go to restaurants, robots are serving. Robots are performing surgeries. Robots are conducting, if you'll be using ChatGPT, that's an algorithm behind that. And the space has changed as recent as the last 18 months. So if the curriculum that your students are engaged with now is not preparing them for the future of work, then we've got to have another conversation. The future of work means that the students need to have certain skills, not just artificial intelligence, but machine learning, data analysis, cyber security. That's the whole paradigm for the fourth industrial revolution. So employers are always complaining that the kind of graduates that they are getting are not fit for industry. What we are starting here in Kona is to start preparing your students so that by the time they graduate, no employer will tell them that they are not fit for purpose. Those that will also start their own businesses will take them through entrepreneurial support and design thinking to be able to achieve that. Our job here is very, very simple. This is a start, but as we go on and we engage with your teachers, we train a lot more teachers. Kona can become a center of excellence for the area so that other schools in the area can come and benefit from what we're doing. So thank you very much for receiving us. Thank you for your support. and we are looking forward to a long, prosperous and progressive relationship with you, not just in Kona, but across Ghana. I think these things happen with funding, and Newmont Gold Ghana is sponsoring these labs in partnership with the Otumfuo Foundation, and we are powering it. So our partners are also Intel. So all the laptops that you see, there are different processes in there. The most popular tends to be Intel. So we'll be dealing with Intel technology over here in this lab. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Osei. Thank you very much.
Any amamre na enyo omai oba dia boy my amamra ne femaka adani kikawa pii aduane a wa beto no wo o ma me buchia so eye chiwade eye den na oba dia japade atise ya to atwene akofa foforo dia beto ye ho so adani ye nkoni inti mpanimfo mumma yempe asem hu denwe gubre impani ye mepu a ye hu obanama onsedua onsehoma be mepu a bobo edie na ye ya fa hu se wo ye mampam sisi waso yesunsunu frewani a asempa fa won paase mumma yembo ancheche manu amamre ni amane wo ye fiefiem ni ye nsukubu kasa frenchim dede hwehwama ye nanan dijaye no ene adane afrafra okaniba intumi nka ono ane kasa simbaba kumpa amanfrafo de ebem impenifo se bi manima so obi jane nan a ene de osu opupu se mani endije ma ankaya de ane acheke akanchie ogo nihu ene de ekeka ho enso ene ennuane etadie ni bi ni pizza indomie shawarma ene de ekeka ho se ebobi sumpa ye mani nim adekode ya no ye tena ho ama enfofom abedane yenkwaye dabi mama yembo anche manu amamre ni amane wo ye ntadi shim ne 90 ni ye ndidie na se yesa ebema ye mudie edinka bomba na ye busentiti ni fro medamu ase
Professor Ohinima Boachede Wahini Autosu yinu Osaye Otumfuo ba ne ho hia no tiefe no hia hene na anapei dwumadi a Ohini di no owo ne mfie aduonu no no ntino akohia sa obema Otumfuo brempon eye nana Dr. Ajima Bedudu a oyi konso hine abetrana nem na ode na no disem aba na wabehwe ama bibia akoso nana yeda wase tisabri nana no wadaroma mesre wani di na yatwe safre nana Dr. Ajima Bedudu a oyi konso hine na ode nana asem abe
Nana Konedu Yadom Kumenini Awotosunai Nana Kunahini Nana Kuna Hima Nana Kuna Kuntihini Nene Penifo Engineer Musiesie Mfidie ya computer ya eneye ka eho asemi District Chief Executive Secretary South in Sianemwa Oha District Education Officer Oha Nananom Teachers in Central for Otumfuo Foundation Medias anything for Moshiemo Hase Eye manage bebre se ene mijina ha ema yewra Otumfuo ohene mohene Otumfuo osetutu abebio one ne yere oba sonko woda memu eye Lady Julia Osei tutu Otumfuo eyere na me say dina ha bio ema yewura hene nana professor Oheneba Boakye Agye a otosumie no Otumfuo hene onumti ena me gina ha ene sebe bibi nti otia ne na echi na wo se me ba ebegina anamu nana no mada Roma ene kuna yate ede ene se Otumfuo education eba so na eson fasode ene asokrafo so na abefo mfidie a ye disua enwoma a se mfidie eye eboa omo ye science maths engineers ebeboa wo mu ye pa na ye kra so de pana ye tri ayeye ne se ene da ye wure mfrida fi se ene ye wura opemso Otumfuo seetu obetena benwa so ni mfio aduonunum ahia enti megidi se date we de obi ene ho a ne wure be fida e wo potemo ha na ansa ne beto aso no mesre se nananom school for ni pa ahia ha nyina yemfa nsambo kese ne yemfa ma Newmont for we say obuna aboa Otumfuo ama Otumfuo foundation for ama ene yehunu de yehunu sebe nipa ya de a ose ayeye enyuma bebre ewo asantemem enyuma bebre ewo Ghana mem na so nyumu nyina na yetu ho ache sede Newmont Ghana for aye ede boa yewura ache ne monyam yi Mother Roma aduma abai anase ade abai de besua ngomen sebe yewura de wabɔ ne homodene ama enne aba nanso yemu se ye ho se ekwan be so ne be fa be tena hoda yen ka se enne Otumfuo foundation e de aba enti ye jabo mu nko aso da bi ye ne sa na je se nye ne yie yo ene ye pe a teacher for nananom amowa ha esukufo aban nsi anamufo amowa ha ebeye se mu nyina mo be so dwumadie mu ye atemoni ahwe na atimagina ho from da bia na yese amfo ena kire ne nto aso se ekina bi ye hu se ayeyie ekọ animu a se bi yewura owutie de so daye oso daye bi mu a wotimi aka mo ede mo aka ho ye de aseda bebrez be ma Otumfuo foundation for free se be yesi yenkote adromra ani ahaban ye kwa ye be nyina no omu ni obi a omu ebo yewura chidom anaso motu mu osi ho no mo a sa na ye me nyina da bia omu so mu eboa megidi se penifo ejina ha no aka bebrebe enti ne titru ne tente ne tietie nyina ne se dwumadi a abai ye be hye wo bia se omo no homodene na onfa ne hu nhyem na emwo nkoda na de sua na sebe enne abaefo ekwan so na di nipa eduru akiri na se mutime boa we nyina na mutime be ne ya ana megidi se foforo ebetimi asaba enti yewura se ade a odi eja munie yeda yewura ase bebre
For every house is built by some men, but he that built all things is God. Adibia ye na sasi subia ebi ensa ne shasia etimi ma yewu no nanso ni nyina mu no ewu yakopon e ne boy nyina ye chidom e ma ne ti urade na amasa dwedi e be du sampon so titi kan ne srese enye ne si chasi e be bo pale Otumfuo-Newmont ya dawase ya ope e na wo ye ma ne pamu ne santi enete so wa me yate asemde na wo de nam yewura Otumfuo ene de dwumadie ne da yeso a wo de ma no so e na amasa dwumadie ene ye hu ni se ya dawase bebre se enete so Otumfuo ne panyimfo akai konamai ene ekuna circuit se adusua a yɛn nso so yɛbɔ mmɔden sɛ yɛbɛtumi abɔ mu na yɛatum titiman no ɔno nso bɛsɔ yɛn akyi yɛda wase sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ saa ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛyɛ nka yɛ dum wɔ sɛ ɛde ama yɛn yɛnim sɛdeɛ deɛ ɛbɛgyina biara no awurade yɛbɔ ɔtin no na yɛbɔ ɔno nso ɛdin yɛyɛ ɛka ne sɛ aseda ɛnka wo din sɛ wɔma dwumadie aba so na dwumadie yi ɛbɛyɛ ade kɛseɛ yɛyɛ sɛ srɛw ne sɛ ɛnɛ da yi yɛsrɛw sɛ ɛberɛ a yɛde dwumadie ɛbɛhyɛ ɛkona ɛne circuit yi ɛnsɛn yɛsrɛw sɛ ma ɛso aba ɛmmarama nnipa nyinaa ɛne asukuufoɔ nyinaa yɛwura dandeɛ mu a yɛsrɛw sɛ ma wo nyansa no hu mu ne ɔnti aseɛ ɛntena dandeɛ mu na deɛ yɛde mmara bɛfa wo biara no ɛtumi ayɛ adwuma ɛde aba yɛn na sɛdeɛ yɛ nana kaeɛ no ma yɛn ɛnyɛ nyansa no wɔ mu a yɛde bɛhwɛ so yie na daakye sɛ da yɛ so foforɔ bi wɔde tom wɔ wura ɛtumi to ɛtu bi aba yɛn mpɔtam ha ɛne ɛkona circuit ɛne ɛkona mpɔtam ha nyinaa yɛnim sɛ wobɛyɛ ama no aboro so yɛda wase ne san nti na yɛdan ɛdan yi nyinaa de hyɛ wo nsa yɛdan ɛyɛ nnipa abɛ nyinaa de hyɛ wo nsa sɛ ti w'anim kyerɛ yɛn na ma w'anim onyam nyɛ kɛse yɛde mogya no tete ho nyinaa sɛ ma ne nso abapa ɛmfama yɛn ɛne yɛn mma ne yɛn kyirima nyinaa wɔ Yesu din mu amen.
Director ni nana himani nana mo be se na pacho ti na ti so e ma ka ho ti mo chabo o nya mi eja oba ene hu kokro da amen. Ti papa cho yama Robot, I will base our instructions now. Now, the sign of net support to us. Now, with this net support, say teacher and the support chat there. The lesson plans or the good teacher's laptop. Then, why through the net support? Now, what's our tablet? It's a quality tablet no one. The teacher you project on a laptop and no the tablet into no better media share. Yes, our books are in library. Give books to be net support to into book be a 100% ocean piano, waiting me it is a teacher the tablet in the mark. That's why I saw the tablet, it kind set some session of the notes. That's all the yard for teacher debate me on a computer, so wait me to tablet, wait me on the warning or tablet in the show near and also it was yes, wait me to set exams. I'm wait me I tablet in the show. It's a number I say tablet, tablet and also your charging unit. But so okay, your charging unit it take about 50 tablets at a time. So much charge anywhere. Teacher and the initial the measure charging unit in now a charging tablet and the time we say here you now a charging light off almost still power man meet me also at 12 or my use and so. Yeah, well, I say we a 3D printer. With the 3D printer, this is a sample of parts I have printed from the printer. Light in the unit now. I just cover the car. Was a filament maybe I drop light in the unit now. It has stopped it. It is color also going to be it is a personal. You go to a technical drawing. You're moving from 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions. It will go when you so draw box or your box now. So converting box into 3 dimensional. That's all printing. I'll bet me soon. Oh, okay. Let us know ABCD no. I'll bet me I normal printing. 1, 2, 3. I'll bet me I normal print. Lego part. I'll bet me the 3D printer no. I printing. Says I'll bet me I printing robots from the 3D printer. They say I got 3D farms. I started here. You 3D farms in here. 3D printers. I actually be your cabinet. nti I say na wo printer ade no wo send work na printer no sa na 3D farms ni your 3D printers are bi mu di si dan in now on YouTube now check out go say 3D printing also in the 21st century for child development. Now
yebede nyame ase wo ne de ya de fefa yehu na ya da yewura asante hina ase mmonyam sha wa hye Kona Amabia ka asante man dwumadi a ne de apie wo Kona de meka wo matitu ne se ye mai first ne sori ya si jale ne boaye ena de moaye sa yenim se wo musunim de bie wo mu bie on beye ye ho se de ma ne ma ye lawyer ma ni bebre lawyer magistrate ne ade enti ne ma no so ne ye wa kokoduro se de wo hene de abaye betimi anyam kana ne anyam kunim de enso ewo am so de meka no
empanyini ka asem bi se onifre ni betoboa na ne nansi bo ni biso mo hwe hu se nkwada no wo mo wo pepa na dwumadi amode abe wo mo beye ana eka me akwese mo bi wo mo nye ama no so beye ka David entimi masa me kura na ye masudie se dan ni dan nyina dwumadi amode abe me ma me nan aye ntietia wa ha ne ma beka master ho na ye hunu kwa ya de tense ma ne bebre ni made wa ha bi omo wodi BOB enti no ye beke kamofra no bebre ni made ni ya hyewo mu kura no mo so dia di enkini e wo Kona kuro de mo ha na ma wo bo so se me kwada ni bu ha wo mo ni made ye fa panye na wo mo so eni suku mu ha bibinti wo ntumi ma suku ede ne penimfo ya fa wo so betumi abesua bi na kire wo ha
oh David entimi masa patam schools ni bebre wa ha Kona kuro de schools bebre wa ha ye be fa kwanya wo eso na maka master ho ne akọ dawuro no obi bia wo betimi aba abesua de no mabọ hu chidom na me ne wo makọ na dodo na ba ha ba abesua sanse eye nkunim de ni anibonyam efe kura dodo enti no dani de nya meka master ho ne akọ schools no na bo mu nyina abesua de wa sanse we ni entimi nya ne tra da bi o se hye Kona anibonyam na bi ka asante man ne enya nkunim de wa o se tu sa na namponsa agiman a metoso miensa kurahim mesumedamo
odi anase ye nyina ye di 25 years a yewura de betra banwa so na we kire wiase nyina se enya anniversary keke ne mo anniversary a adwuma wo mu anniversary mpuntuo wo mu anniversary sabekafra adiche ewo mu anniversary enwomasua ewo mu enti no eyemeni pa ye ewo niema yewura Otumfuo-Newmont abibio opem so oye ama ewiase manyana
obi beka say AI centers say no said the we say the wiase nisimi kwa ekwan be na befa so aboa nkwala no eni mpoye o man
akwanya de megidi say eye bebrebe fri say enye yewura sabe opem so a anka sabe first we behunu bibi say ya gesa abrochimem ananka ba ye ke bia nkran eni kumase nko a na so yewura anhwe enkran wa anhwe kumase wa ma bia so nkron ketewa mu enti no eye se ne wokọ nkron ketewa mu a wontimi sisi obie de wo wutirim e wo ba bia ode ba no ono so nim de ma wokọ abrochire kurase eni ho no ase ba akono no fi se wokọ abrochire akoda akurate kro ketewa mu a ade bia mo mo kro kase mu sua bia no omo so esua bi enti we de mfaso de wo ho eye bebrebe ayi ntimi nkai oh I'm say radio sabe wo tie so daye ansa na ye bebi ade na wa manipa asua ntete dada a wo betena ha be kire wo mu omo so be kire ahafo amomo so ahunu no mo de a kire nkwada no ena nkwada mu sua ye anka so be kakra no mo so ada na kirefo no mo so e kire bi entwene de ewura wodi ho dwuma dada dada
Yura meda sipi ene ye ni jeda e ya ho da kese Emma such a South Education Directorate. Emma such a South Education Directorate. No kwasem opening no kasem was we need to so minu a ye bie wo oman yi na e ni jesem ahoho a
Emma Mene, Mitima, a year junior. No Quasemuni. Yes, if you ask Daniel was also done on Hobby. It is a net in the council quite the far above in the so at the Chilamo Friday, Edison at the Abba, na and there such the men's Yansa Akasadi with India. Na the whole Ghana, yet you told me no. Yan to turn from, yes, sinners. Yes, yes, say, when be a name penny for a befasoa, the Bema Mofrano, any Dumedi, a befaso. Now, Namano to Dada, Kona in another room, way banding in Ano, or my assote, Tibribiano, the name of Frano, Ishia, Fibre Eco Breno, the name of Fanicia, near Churchill, Nema Pua, Eba, Viase, and such Eba. Can I know? Let Jabby now the wife getting Ebe Kakarima Bibri, says in Sudi. Nema by Eba, I saw artificial intelligence. It is Quambibri, so I need some. Nam would be a ra, I was here in terms of supervision, in terms of monitoring, in terms of motivation. I was here the match from any inquiry. Said the bed, none 18 puntia on the side of Kona. Mainstream, one as such a mainstream. Appiah, Cabaret, that chairman.
Talk about the maintenance culture.
No question, Medasi. Now, Emma Hova said, the idea this idea is obviously no. Her teacher. Any second supervisor, or that's the idea. No, 1 year nipa, 1 born who would be papa. I was a Japadia, a was school mubiara, Sefan Kunya, Sefa Nipa, Sefa Dan, Biara was school mubiano, only Muduma, a bon homo. It's a the Akoya bear for the Abrady, meaning say, on Baba modern, Etchendia, on your cannon now. Nana said, and you can't. I was here, so your son was a bon tour, ever said. You made the ABC announcement. A course, your penona now. Bibi Cochiwa now. So Bibi Cochiwa, the Nyansapo at the Appiah. Yes, the ABC, and yes, you better your chair. Actually, if you break up, I was here, so you shown Kona, said the Bernard Medium. Appiah affable. Yes, and you be so I had a account.
Mira, you have to say the next academic year, Ghana Education Service subjects will work year now. AI become as a subject, and I say, saying a mobile Buama and then Padama and Moma Junior.
Mini Bema, Yana do at some Yana a harding. Mummy Lusurano, then her quite a faster bed, Richard soon. Ghana Education Service, on your now, this will subject year for the baby. Yet the BA come now, Shadisiano, Emukina. It is a baby of us will be 10 1 years here, or bar no buy yesterday, the children. The A and Nina, and yes, ye be a film. Name me a shady Mukina, Sadim Quarano, a sooner. Umbetimian, the end papa. Now, what in your tears and a Dutch or Quabon thing, maybe son, and also the year Juma. Now you say no passing, while Benny only do me and answer this room. It yes, it be a film. It way I become a way crown a bear was so back as at the Amayina, Yanni and Mofrani. It's more be a movie.
So, what would do an Yabi? Mobetram, Momonia. Now, Munia Mofrasi, and no more
Minia, and Yabelu and Potom had the Yen idea. It's Bribia, Sefata, the betting I better timetable. Near Shema schools now, Bia Beba, Abaji, and Titia, Ewahan. Yes, the Abesi Kunantina, Kunadia, the Abesi Wama Secretary. Mine. Such education directory, you know. He said such education directory to Diada, Edia. Nay, and modern, and another body of Wago. Yen idea. The Yan never see a check. Tell them of France Beba. Mubia, the entity also a Sefatam, Yadiama. From Georgia Dwabroka, such a South Education Director.
Sabeka ya twani mu nyame nai ebuafa so enye de ya twani mu twanyame
sebedi akone bakwen bodi atwede na se kofi nro ne ya aben ntime nyina ni mu ampata na